From colorful maples to majestic oaks, from towering pines to the signature palmetto, South Carolina's iconic trees remain an integral part of the landscape across the communities we serve. Trees SC, a nonprofit organization working to foster the stewardship of South Carolina's forests through education, advocacy, and networking, recently hosted their annual conference at Folly Beach.
Same location, same floor.
The educational and informative two-day event partners SCE&G and other utilities with a diverse group of educators, arborists, landscapers, and municipal officials from across the state as they work towards a common goal to support South Carolina's urban forest.
SCE&G has been a huge partner of ours for nearly 20 years, and those partnerships allow us to reach a broader audience and also to share the message that we all have in common about the value of trees and the importance of trees and proper tree maintenance.
For SCE&G's forestry team, strong partnerships are the first step to getting the job done right, as crews work year-round to maintain the rights of way along thousands of miles of power lines across our service territory.
And so it's a way for us to get involved and speak with these people. Also a way for us to help people understand what we do and why it's important that we help educate people why you have to have the right tree in the right place, why we trim the trees the way we do, mainly for safety and reliability. And so it's just a way to have a collaborative, good partnership with all these groups, as well as to have a platform to reach out to the public.
The goal of tree trimming and vegetation management is a simple one, as we work to maintain a reliable, resilient system with a core focus on the safety of our employees and our customers.
Community members don't understand the importance of reliability and safety as it relates to trees around power lines. I'm able to work with utility companies to explain why it's really important to get the distance, the right distance away so that the community can be safe. Safety is the first concern.
Trees SC and SCE&G, connecting people and trees across the urban forest we call home.